Nasa 30,000 taon nagpimpi ang i-deploy sa mga sementeryo sa buong bansa sa araw ng Hundas. Ito ang tiniyak ni Acting PNP Chief Lieutenant General Milicio Nartatis Jr. mula Oktubre 29 hanggang Nobyembre 3 tungo mano sa matiwasay at ligtas na Hundas 2025. Bukod sa mga sementeryo, kakalot din ang mga pulis sa terminal hubs, pantalan, paliparan at iba't ibang pangunahing kalsada para sa kaligtasan ng publiko na dadalaw sa puntod ng namayapa nilang mga mahal sa buhay. Layunin ng Acting PNP Chief na masiguro ang kaligtasan ng bawat isa sa matiwasay at mataimtim na pagunita umano ng Hundas sa ating bansa.
We'll celebrate the Hundas 2025, local, national, and even international. We are one goal to ensure the safety and security to our fellow Filipinos as they visit cemeteries and travel to their provinces. Our PNP deployment plan is already in place, in close coordination, of course, with our partners, with the LGUs and other government agencies. Around 30,000 PNP personnel will be deployed nationwide from October 29 to November 3 to secure the places of these activities, the cemeteries, to secure the terminals, the terminal hubs and routes. Let us work together to ensure a peaceful, orderly, and solemn Hundas 2025. Be visible, be courteous, and be ready to assist. Remember, our presence gives comfort and peace of mind to our people. Let us carry with us these reminders. Gratitude for the blessings we have received, fairness and integrity in all that we do, and commitment to public service. Together, let's continue to build a bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas.
Ako si Gwen Moreno para sa DWRB 103.9 News FM. Ikaw ang una.